Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the time zone for your workspace in your Wrike account. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me navigate to my example account here, and what you will need to do is click into your profile and settings menu here in the top left corner by clicking into the profile icon. Here inside your settings, what you want to do is navigate to personal settings on the left hand side, click into profile. And here guys, you may go through your profile details as well as through your workspace settings. And here guys, what you want to do is navigate to language and region settings, and then go, for example, through your time zone and choose the one from that menu you would like to use. So let me go with Europe here. And that's it. Don't forget to save your changes here by clicking into this button, and then you will see the example of the time zone here guys, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.